What's up, beautiful people? Welcome to the channel, guys. My name is Lisa, and if you're new here, thanks for stopping by. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I transformed this beautiful wig, so let's jump right into it. So let me jump right into the details on this hair, guys. It's a beautiful hair. I purchased it from my local beauty supply store. It's a Marie Danielle Kinnicklin hair. And what happened was they actually had this hair on the mannequin, but it had no tags on it, so no name. It had no boxes. They couldn't find the box of where it came in. So I ended up paying about 50 bucks for this wig. It's a gorgeous wig. I love the length. I couldn't pass it up. I'm like, even if it has no name, it's fine. I will rock this hair. So to start off, I'm going to be going in with my Got To Be Glue Free Spray, and I'll just be putting that around the hairline. I'm going to be doing this hair just so I can keep it in for a couple of days. And all the products that I use in this video are going to be linked in the description bar below, so you can go ahead and check that out if you're interested. If you've seen most of my wig installs, I pretty much use the same products. So it's mostly my Got To Be Glue Free Spray and my Got To Be Glue Gel, because you know what, it's more affordable. So after applying my free spray, I just go in with my tail comb and I just comb backwards or towards my hair just to help with blending out my hairline a little bit better. I'll go in with my scissors and I'll be cutting the middle and both sides. Also, you can go ahead and cut a little bit further down if that helps you. This just makes it really easier for me to separate the lace from the wig. After doing that, I went ahead and I tied my hair down for about 15 minutes, call it tops. It dries pretty fast, and that's another pro about the Got To Be Glued Free Spray. As soon as you spray it on, you can say it will be dried. So after doing that, I go in with my scissors and I cut a little bit closer towards my hairline. I alternate between my scissors and these razor blades that I got from the pharmacy because they just give me a cleaner cut and it makes it look more flawless. Just be very mindful when using these because they are super sharp. I've actually nicked myself a couple of times there. So just go slow and take your time until you have all the lace removed. Once I have all the lace removed, I just go in with my wipes, and I pretty much just use my wipes to clean up my entire hairline wherever I have the excessive Got To Be glue or the free spray. So I ended up going back in with another round of free spray just for extra security to make sure this wig is nicely secured to my head. After that's all done, I'm going to go ahead and tie it down. Once everything is nicely set in place, I just go ahead and remove my head tie, and I'm going to be going in to make my baby hairs. And whenever I'm doing baby hairs like this, I pretty much just go in with my Lotta Body styling lotion, and I also mix this with my Got To Be glue gel, and I use my rat tail comb just to help me to mold and guide the hair so it sets in place how I want it to set. I hope I explained that alright, but anyways, just keep watching and you guys will see exactly what I mean. I'm going to be going in with my rapid strip. I'll just be tying that around the edge of my hair. I won't be doing too much to this hair because it does have really nice curls. And I'll be using this heat protector while curling my hair. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. If you enjoyed watching, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe so you guys can become a part of the family. Okay? Period. Slay! Oh my god, I'm feeling like a baddie. Your girl's out. Until next time, toodaloo.